Hi, Thais. I received your email about needing to print out some grades for a specific student for a specific class, so I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. The first thing that you're going to need to do in your grade book is go to the class from which you want to print your grades. I believe you mentioned that it was your math class, so that's the class that I'm going to go into. That class will open up. Once it does, you're going to go up here towards the right top hand corner and you've got a reports button up there. You're going to click on that reports button. It will bring you up to this screen. By default, it should come up to detailed progress report. You can leave that there. You can go down here and uncheck all of these buttons except for show mark. Mark is the actual grade, so you want to leave that checked. Then you're going to come back up here. By default, it'll say run report for all students, but you're going to check this third button, which says run report for selected students. It will show you a list of all your students. You will check the student's name for which you need grades for, and then you'll scroll down to the bottom and you'll click on run report, and hopefully it will give you the report that you want for that student with all of his or her grades listed and the name of the assignment. And that's the way you do it. I'll check in with you. Let me know if you have any questions.